going on, World Wide Web? Listen up, guys. This video is for three types of people, okay? This video is for, number one, people who want to start making money online, even if you don't know anything about list building, or even if you don't already have a product or a list. That's number one. Number two, guys, for you people who do understand that, I'm going to also talk about how to get unlimited. And look at how I got the M up here, guys, in the I, right? That's not a typo. How to get unlimited free traffic to your website. And three, for all of the above, guys, for those of you who want to start making money online, even if you don't already have a product or a list, for those of you who want to get unlimited free traffic to your website, I'm going to show you guys how to start paying yourself to build your list. How cool is that? Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm always in the market to make more money, more cash, right? And the best way that I know how to do it is by generating leads. You're just 2 clicks away from learning the secrets to generating an endless flow of both. And just for checking out the actual system that I'm talking about today, guys, I'm throwing in over $97 worth of bonuses. So this is exactly how this is going to work. Once you guys click the second link, right, you're going to be redirected to my second web page, right? And once you enter your email address into that actual page, guys, I'm going to carry you guys over to the actual system that I'm talking about. You guys can lock into this system right now today, guys, and you literally can start generating an endless flow of leads and affiliate cash commissions. But action speaks louder than words, so go ahead on, guys. Let's get the ball rolling. I'll see you guys on the inside.